Bre konsiadu na ebra na yere kasa no ye minyaduku abomyam
Asem kroya ho na onmonya for Mustafa Yusuf wono na yeso for ya yagudie ho nsem ne mabunu de so wahweso wono so kwogina mampanyi no mani nyina namu a wode ensem kwoto dwa e wodwumadie na se
ebia na wo hwe wo film ache anwumere pa so pa na ti asem na asem bia asi ewo wasa minds no bra enya sam keto akora ye mu asam obram
panyi bi so a waben ewo sikasem tutuye mu wono so kire se bansa wodo bi ene watch se egu na adane abutuo no emu omafo mpre wo ho na wonkoyi wonom esika ne nyina ededa na akwan mu
emfimfiri mantam nso ye nuanom a woton ade e wokwa ho kire se ye wura akwasi amu akwata wone aban mu mpanifo bi wo honom a e wo se ye di omu tum mo ankasa hunu se nyame wo hoyi wo ye odo fi se omama omina boka papa ene nsam hodo bi na anwumere ya transe a ye de ebro ye da mu nyina mo ase anwumere yi taxi drivers truck drivers pragia aboboya kwankwani ase wa afi na wonam ekwan mu na wukofie ye da mu nyina mo ase nyame nsira mo papa anwumere yi nana kwabena kese na afei
ohine ire mame ekua yeboa esiama
adesuafo maako hanson aduono enson ekwaje ntete akwa me nkroma suapon no na nkakra wode ontitie ne nyina no aba na wieye na dwumadie no koso ewo Great Hall kwa me nkroma suapon no mu a wori de toso aduonum ensia na no ana chancellor edema kwa me nkroma suapon no asantemawura asantemanya mekeso do pokese na si wonwunu asantemantamu yero otumfo wo satutu ya otoso mienu na na tira sa hwe
However, job vacancies might not be readily available. Many graduates are struggling to find jobs after their national service. And each year, the situation gets worse. Last year, I'm told about 81,000 service personnel were posted to various organizations. This year, the number has increased to about 115,000. And there's a general concern about whether the job sector will be able to absorb them. Stakeholders have at various times faulted the knowledge-based education system for the rising rate of graduate unemployment and urged higher education institutions to prioritize equipping students with the necessary employability skills to succeed in the labor market. Universities therefore need to include business development and career counseling in their curriculum to produce well-rounded graduates who can hire others and start their own businesses. The Kumasi Business Incubator Project and the Career Services Center, where graduates are guided to create, innovate, and develop abilities, have been established by KNUST in a bold move, and I applaud you for this. I am reliably informed that the center has produced a significant number of business innovators who are winning global awards already. The likes of Matthias Charles Yabe, who recently won the Prototype Humanity Award worth $25,000 US in Dubai in 2022 for the development of Aquafresh, and Emmanuel Kojonimo, the young man who is noted to be converting plastic waste into diesel and petrol, are worthy of mention. These few examples attest to the fact that when our youth are given the relevant training and skills, they can fend for themselves. Another very assuring initiative I'm informed about is the Entrepreneurship Development Fund recently launched by the Students Representative Council.
Asantemawura otumfo osaitutu ya otosomie no chancellor edema Kwame Nkrumah suapon no na yewura ewieye no ano ena vice chancellor edema suapon no engoma suamu obenfo Rita Akosua Dixon ono so wie ne sei
776 are females representing 41.5%. Model of higher education run by the university remains. KNUST stands very strong in our commitment to support students to succeed. As such, KNUST through the Lands Endowed policy continues to increase admissions of socio-economically disadvantaged and underrepresented students. We also provide assistive technology and support to differently abled students, as well as infrastructure, including specialized accommodation and dedicated and equipped transport services to these students. Our STEM for Girls initiative is also on course. We remain determined and committed to improving on it as we show up the interest of girls in STEM programs at KNUST.
Vice Chancellor Ewo Kwame Nkrumah Suapon no mu eya nguma suam obenfo Rita Akosua Dixon.
Ya konsenfo from said the omeya mamra ya opempam na fia pema henkra de okrumienu ese e article 67 no ese brano na wasa mapanyi kwamra hyebadwam na watimi de kwato oman no anim said the oman ye tibre ne bobre etie empepe so no ya ye womu no na eno ena na watwe atwam no mapanyi de ne kyerem wamra hyebadwam ekoye ne sa pepepe na no mu no said the amra ne sia ne sem na hyebadwafo mapanyi at the state of the nation address in Batudwa wia e wasa watimi etena se no de ho abobo de esefata de watimi aboa e de ahye na enam so ama setena ne bia koso amra hyebadwam eno na enam so ama dom dodo no ba no de ne brekwa na do ani kyerem e wo adwuma ko enyan esiam abato mpesua so wo no e na ye amra hyebadwane e wo ho ye yewura kelso atoba forcing wano e de atodwa sema panyi na dan kwa akufado ni mfie siemu a wo babetena adwan so yi besiabo sikadie se basa na wo hu bi da ma panyimfo ya won mabetena ga na adwan so nyina no ye de toto ho a wono e na awuradi kan ya wa ya suru kokroko ya wodi wonom enyina animum na no e na wo kyeremu biam se wo de ani kyeremu e wo e ya besiabo ya wa bona e ga na sika foforo no 455.7 billion Ghana cedis and na emfiesian mu watimi abono se we no e chese wa ya incompetent ya wa Mexico asem no wantimi atoto ne ye na no biam wode ka se kwa wie ya no wasa kyeremu biam se wose mapanyi bamra hyebadwam na besiabo bia hodo ya wode abono o me kyerem dwuma so a wode adidi amome no e ma Ghana fo nyina so aso ntibi.
What we are witnessing today is that our debt is now 103% of GDP. The Speaker clearly. This government is telling us that it will take us 2028 before we bring the country back to debt sustainability. The Speaker, you took over a country at debt at 55%. Now you are saying that it will take you 12 years after taking this country. After taking this country before you bring it back to their sustainability, all what this government is trying to say is that they have sent Ghana back 12 years. From 2017 to 2023, 12 years. So what he has said is he's admitted that he has sent Ghana back for 12 good years. The Speaker, yet he's saying that he did not borrow recklessly. The Speaker, I prove to you that His Excellency the President and his government, particularly the Finance Minister, has been super reckless in the borrowings. So, Speaker, reckless is understatement. The word should be super reckless and overly incompetent in the management of our debt. Because, Speaker, this government only knows one debt, one program, one loan. One loan, one program. That's all what they know. And it looks clearly that all what they know how to do best is to look for debt and to use it only for consumption expenditure. So, Speaker, in the year 2017, they borrowed 20 billion. Again, in the year 2018, they borrowed 33 billion. In the year 2019, 45.1. 2020, 73.4. 2021, 60.2 billion. 2022, 223.9 billion Ghana cedis. To Speaker, all put together, in 6 years, they have borrowed 455.7 billion Ghana cedis. This represents $68.4 billion. So you use 6 years to borrow almost $70 billion, yet you are struggling to show us what to use the money for. But where is the money? We need to ask this question, where exactly is the money?
Na sikane wa hefa ye Rakelso ato forcing dom kesi anase dom kumano ya wonom e wamra hyebadwano mba no dani no nom na ne kasa no wa mana pema woto aso biem de to na dodan kwa akufo aduanim se ye se de wo pa de akokotoko no ya nya na bro sika dodo ya wo bro besi anyina no wade to dwa se ya kwan ahodo ya tete apansama pro no wade kwa akoyi se be ya twentwe ho nsem o my God na de hye betimi afam tote de akọ na so wo se na woto ani hwa ya kwan a wo hu benkum wo hu nifa se bia ya ba kokora pa akosi tire se twan ame de ho amane e de aba ne no e na wo kire se $130 billion bi wo ho a e wo manfo na anasa aban ne gigeye e wo manfo ho ne ho kontabuo no aban e wase wo ba no de emu nkyeremu ebrey.
The time has come for us to call our minister responsible for finance and the president is coming to account to the people of Ghana how they use this borrowed money. Let's look at this pamphlet, and I can prove to you something interesting. I will take you to the same pamphlet that the president presented to us. The pamphlet the president presented at page 62 of 231. And Mr. Speaker, please, I know my region very well, Central Region. I know my region very well. I can confirm to you that the entire roads that the president is saying that they have constructed during his tenure as president, none of it was financed through debt. None of it was financed through debt. So the entire $70 billion that they have borrowed, Central Region did not benefit one city for the purposes of road construction. One city. Mr. Ghana, I have this document here. One city for the purposes of road construction. And I can take you through. This is a document presented by the president himself. There is no single road here that was financed through debt. So the $70 billion that he has borrowed, none was used for the purposes of constructing roads. Yet, His Excellency the President sat here, he was standing here, and he communicated to the people of Ghana that majority of these roads were used for the purposes of road construction. Mr. Speaker, this calls for a lot more scrutiny.
Akomni ntremu otumre achresie no ochesa kwan ahodo ya mapanyi bo besi aso de kwan no eye fifi mantemo ekwan popopo ba kumpo eni ho ayetimi aye wo ho wei eye wode wani kyeremu e wodom kuma na fa wada won manu mra hye bedwembre kra na why member of parliament edema adehye ya won mo adwuma kwanya isia mabato ampesia so yewura kelso ato forcing
owura aliu yi zumla why buafo sonko de ma owura krobia ya wono watwe ti se nyame ya adom na Ghanafo etie no sofre a opese okura franka de ma NDC amanyoko no ya watwe ti den na woye dwadini ya woye Ghana ni a wo UK abrochimamu na opani Aliu UA Zumura woni enuanum high radio edi nkomano padwumadie ya omudie no abi ana opani no de nsamatodwa ya wo kire se nyame anim nie wo kan plane yese bia plane fa se nyame ya adom na Ghanafo etie ensam a wowura NS krobia e kanu a ene Ghanafo ye hawo ya manne yesusu ampidie ye kwadanda MPP sesei NDC sesei ni ade nyina no wo ba no ba yi ni nyina de afiri ho biam wo be sase wo fam ho aye adwuma no wo fam ho a abomu ade abasoro opani na sem
ye insurance package aye health package adiama NDC grassroots jai grassroots na atina ahonde no so betre agriculture ya de bia ebe yewura NS kokuko bia akoma so ofise ye de ni eko agriculture a minia my way nkaye nko abontin kura nko babusia efiri ba bia agriculture oba be develop na be attractive to the youth so that they will be abenya adwuma ye obeye another package African regional election na ebe ko minia if a sample and high can ana obi na bedum ye na wakọ high can abrere ono wo dwene se ye se yetimi nye bibisa ne fama parties no so that they ko ba be to mass party for di akwaba ene biem but say they to mass generate revenue to support the party a o hwe consensus bia na at least they to mass pay other say cargo kana transport vehicles ebi abasha kesi we na party for na nkasa pe omo nipa omo dimedi driver ni any meter omo de saka we ebe kokon so aba asika no mbenya no they will put it in their special account so that they are omo betuma bo party no mbai entikle no neba bebiri wo ho a ye di ba
na enu achi na yebusa Owura Aliu se ba bia duru no empanifo ya etwe wonti wande samanyoko mi se omunya franka kradi be na wo bekura no enya nkoda keto asa o na mukọ ba bia ya na yeje musen
constituency bia ye be ko bia no the medical party ni si o ya nipa ba ko a ana me no timi ndo se ye duru ba bi kura na everybody is willing. Say what the meeting ever took you with the NS Kokobia form. So now one day flag bearer because in summer year cannot go to that or that into manifesto. No more say name a woman minia. In fact, Omuji the passer say Omoto abandon mano no pay flag bearer not going for 2024 Winia. Party manner never benefited. Minia an idea about where strike on say you would NS Kokobia say branch level no a grassroots on board NDs of what by MIA power Brano. Even in India, more diploma, degree, masters. Name mom say party name win power. What is say NDC are appointed branch executive me as GC, and MC, and CEO of any state institution, and minister. DC that. But you would have say or pay or Montenina. We should rather go down to the grassroots because Omunomoya Juma Emma party no. So clearly no, you call process endorsement no party for na Omuji too.
Boafo sonko edema opani ya oye Ghana ni a o UK abrochima mu se wonya franka kurafo ya obekura sa di brand ama NDC amanyoku no eye owura NS kwaku kobia wono na atweniti na boafo sonko ya okasa yeyi eye owura Aliu UA Zomra wono na woni santwerofo edi sankomoyi
akaka kra bi na MPP amanyokuo no ekwa ya nhwamudie promise no watimi ayi frankatu ni dia amanyokuo no nyame edom wono ma fimpim no ne aduonu na abatuo ne mo no watimi akonkoden asade tumi no ede atena so na enumu enenam so nte no empanyifo dodo na ayi wo muti ene yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mapanya be de chede tuamu bi wodo ani kire mo yewura Kenya Japan so a wono so se baafo ne emi so mekọ bi ama empanyifo wodo na lankash nyina wonom tuamu bi na so no enna ye kase ya no ekuo bi ya watu wo hudin se eye grassroots delegate platform wonom so de kase bi ababonten na ni nyina mu hyamu dia na wo friends entrefo wo bantema dwom kumase ase no no enna etodwa wonom de todwa se wo hwempanyifo ahodo bi a wonom mra hye badwam no a eye ade bi a wonom epese wo kyekere wonsa gu achi na wo force wo ma na so wo hye wonom ema wo ya ade bi a wo bo enjoso na ni nyina mu na asem ne sete penyi baako ya wodi eye kwemu tintimai eye yewra owusu Frederick dodo na friend Otega wane Sompa kase atwetwe nkomo wade nsem ne mu nkyeremu eboye sei
members of parliament NUP omoya treaty omudi the vice president Alhaji Bawumia eti ena omone ne ko aye to aye ena omo endorse no ese grassroots no se omone ne se grassroots wane ko Sentina grassroots one Namfa Bawumia and I'm tired of almost a room ato delegates now move from our move suffer our from no almost a move ato to the extent that if you are going to make us well we need Bawumia Sano why the bench works him out when you delegate and today now yet say Sano Mano ya grassroots no ya nenyo ho amoma grassroots na yankoyi presidential candidate ya koma so ya pe eni kwa se amodi obi abasa ya ko ya tete ya tene se MPCB akwaji sika kutuo awo Alhaji Bawumia ho enna amoka delegates make asabo eso omoyem
Abusiafo yewra also Frederick dodo na panemrane se Otega wono ne ne ekotie ye na abusiafo sansa Sompa yenchia ya so entiasem na wutumre wo se ye kire wana se ye ma wo kire sie kura wutu ni so ni nteno ye kwa homa so ne yewra also akasa Otega ebisa ne nsamba ko ne mienu bi ne anya enyia no ene entiase pa Otega wote yenka ye moadwo akwaba eba Sompa kase so ene anwumre
Nunya ba me joso
na pomo ye de
me ba che nyankopon do me ho ye pa me di se mo nso mo ho ye
nyame adom wani abrese krodo me ho se kokko ahoma kokko bobo ko ma wo hye tuntum minim se obi anu ye ni breba na ye na sa ahofama na na sa ahofade no ye na ye fa na wosemra hye badwafo bi e de hye bi to police station ne panyifo bi so grassroots fo no so ye mra hye badwafo be na omo ye sa adwumadie no
menu aba medasene akonya de amame wo fidi so the woman say before say ye be sa press conference we yen sorry prekope ne bia be keka enoma yinim ewo your president
Hello, Otega. Hello.
Yeah, me nuaba. But what to make?
Yanka, wa homa ne te koye.
Aha, me say the American nyina say before say a press conference we. And I say your boy is slim any 15 year a press conference. The only say you took constituency elections. You took regional elections. But about what to make? Aha. And today can say MPs and the constituency executives maybe. Epe say tintina time. Omo grassroots for the delegates ne say tintina e o say ba umia and e to abama na man be president. And no na ye ka kire ye mpanyifo no ye MP fo na omo di ba umia chi na tintina twan. Omo be say to abama alaji ba umia ne say e mo nya sa no man because after primaries no ye nyina be ba be ka bom na 2024 no yakwaya adwuma baako enti eni kwaso omode omo elections na ekonom omonya grassroots no man decided for themselves.
Wadaro masema mi bisa we dia sa wo de wada kakra mra hye badwafo no hwan ne hwan na wo mu di obetimi de atodwa se ye de anim sa wo de wo ho wuni wo mu me ne matiefo nti no wadaro manka wo ye ni kire yen
me nu aba me pa cho me ntimi modin bia platform me ba so mintimi modin bia
eti asem ne engineer na asesen ya se e ba sa obi a wo tie be ka se bia pese wo betum futuro gu yani
me na ba onim asem bi wa say bia for instance say would you follow your politics ni bia nim say asem na e kan no kra ni wom say bia wa tie for no kra ne say who line tum set delegates or more various constituencies no baby be kasa ba mi ntimi mego bi edin o
ase wo ba se ye se wo nsin so be ma nsin so ma san wa ha mo so ase wo de ane de opese wo simu de wo ye mente wase papa sa wo mi nua be ma
me na ba de wo me say before
bi anana
David me na ba me so bi ase bi amebodin say A or B de wo me say press conference na nipa na omotuo ni nyina no delegates of more various constituencies and a normal helm and na ye be address your press conference na se ba hu hi asem about the board ye din o
enti yes akutie nim ni renti omo te na asem na hye badwafo ni bi se ye tiefo ne ye nka wo kire ma kire ye ne omo na asa won pese obeye de be de no won say emra hye badwani we na e bia wo koma ba wo
they know for themselves say de na ye ka no the hidden truth to be any omo aka so omo ni momo what is it and on the pese say e bia ne ene emodi ba e bia kire bi ye the names were out
Martina ansa na ebe twen se wo kira ne be so nyame ya dom no de dom ya na mo se hye mo biem na bia wo didi na beba no de wonum eye no susu se MPP mama mra constitution etia na
me na ba onim se e bia for instance me MP me ho kwan se bia me campaign for candidate me pay
okay
but the person change na ne say wo ye MP na e bia wo pe candidate A no Mama can't say chinchina or something from Metromano. When your president in Tina, yes, and you say 50 per copa, yes, it's your constituency elections, it's your red nine elections. Internet, say, presidential elections, yeah, presidential no money BBC. Because the moment as I did BBC, no candidates, no, I am not a woody yaw, grassroots for the yaw. Ana after elections no yen na yen tine kan yon mum en ko breaki 8 na e pese breaki 8 no omonja obi ana ono akasa en fa ne pe en ko to abani aswaranta ono a ope
ja wo kwan moment central for ya so ate etiefo no bi so aso ate mo beti so akomoni mu ama national executive committee yeah no ewo NPP nek mo no wono maso ate ana sesen na mo mutu ana mo na
o man kasa de o mo ye ya send am mo da nti o mo ya we
ma send na fa
national executive committee they are aware of we na
Mwana modekrata kwa na se mo send afa hen.
Oni mini aba ade ba kwa na wo say eya na ye ha say no edu me bi ade ayi nimpa na ase yen pese be ka no kwe o. Say bia for instance obi a obeka no kwe bia ni say ye koto prime minister e normal ya na ekoso ba ebi mo ntime se kire enka no kwe no we no na ye send the signal say presidential race no eye adekasia ebetimi ama MPP no yaka ye ho aboma na say ebia enchichemu beba eno na ye pese empanyifo no eni kwa so omode omo jim o de omo nya grassroots no because grassroots no omo nim de ya na tro mama MP4 no akonya mini omo koti ministers na whatever enti nim enti emo omo fa opia na share konse tintina eni passment na o se akoto abama no
Yo, yero usumie na se na nwumre ene wo brother Jenny nchemu a wo de amaye why?
Mena aba medasi na menka.
Onka wo so ho yero also Frederick dodo na pa ne mrane se wo tega wo no eka ekoya wo from se grassroots delegates platform ho ensantrefo shemu ya wo ye ya wo chesam na chebadwafo bi MPP mo wo no pese mo de yero aba omi ahye mo kon no ene ho nkomo twetwe na abusuan yekokọ twetwen ye.
Nkrase mamuo ne mpuntuo atan ye no abakumase nyina no ye de ti ye ewo kejetia no na aka ho bi ama opani ya bɔ ne din sɛ nyame ya ado na bibia wie pawo a wɔno na ɛkɔ nkrase mamuo ne ho mpuntuo ho nsam so yewura obi amoa waba mo ne nsamtwerɛfo atwen komo.
A team is here made up of high-level persons representing various institutional organizations. We have deputy minister here, we have Danmo here, we have heads of security here, we have the mayor here. That's what I said. We are here to find out exactly what has happened. But we cannot get all the facts just standing here. Reports will be submitted to us as quickly as possible. Meanwhile, the minister reserves the right to form a committee to go into this matter. And based on the recommendations of the committee, then the ministry will act. Being the minister for local government. The minister for local this is an ministry of local government. So the minister for local government, decentralization, and rural development reserves the right to set up a committee. And as soon as possible, he sets it up. It will depend on the fact-finding issues and the recommendations of the committee to be able to go on as to how to prevent such a situation again, and especially to make sure that the new one which is being built, will not go through this process. And the initial period is 3 days, but we are depending on the report of the security services and consultants and those who matter and advise on these issues. If they say that it should go beyond 3 days, we'll have to accept their recommendation and then move on. It could be a week, it could be 2 weeks. If it's even more, for our safety, we have to accept it and let them work. This morning, before coming here, we met the regional minister. We had an extensive discussion with the regional minister. But this is not a place to talk about constitution of the board. We expect that the committee will look at all these things and then we'll move forward. So reserve some of your comments. I'm sure if you had your way, you want all the answers provided now, but we cannot do that. It's not possible. What is most critical is we'll get the initial report. Based on initial report, the fact-finding committee has been set up. They will bring us all that we need to know and how to act. Possible. I spoke to the Honorable Minister this morning as soon as possible, but he wants us to bring the initial report and we will take it from there. After consulting, why are you so interested in the 5-3-7 days? I'm saying as soon as possible. That would depend on the minister in consultation probably with the president and the regional minister. But safety first. The most critical thing is safety. If it had been even more disastrous than this, we would have had no option but to stay at home to make sure that everything is safe. So we have to depend on the technical people who will agree that now it's safe to move in. What is the point in moving here for you to come and fall into trouble just because you wanted to make some money? So the safety thing is the most critical thing. Let's depend on them. Let them advise us. Then we move from there.
We obi amoa na yewura Sompa nso ewi asano mansɛmtwerɛfo.
What I want to assure them is that the assembly and government is ready to give the necessary assistance. Also, we are committed to make sure that the action is expedited, to make sure that they come back to their businesses. What I plead with them is that they should take heart, be patient with the processes. When you have such facilities and you have such catastrophes, definitely you cannot simply move in the day because we want to make some money. So plead with them that what the timeline that we're giving to them, let's adhere to that and make sure that the right things are done so that we don't have a reoccurrence of this unfortunate situation.
Okay.
Yewura Sampan Kumasi Mayor ana yete nenkan.
Na so agina Kumasi kropon mu na nanu oda na kajetia dwakese ne jai timi to mu nam so nteno adehia dodo na niema ene wajapade na hye dwebe wa asenum enam so amampanyifo ahodo na de wano atom bi ya konsem wode ma empanyifo na se dwadefo a wo ho aka adwamen na ne nyina mu ena Ghana Union of Traders Association guta ene wo trinity adefre won wonom eye adwadefo kabom kubatan ye no ewo mema senum na won panyipa eye Yewura Joseph Obey wano ena akasa eden sama to dwade champanyifo se adaroma enye se wo wura dwa ahodo ma gigigi sika se eto na afa so mu de akwago gogoroto ho enko enehia na mmom wonom hwehwe se dwadefo no so no wonom ho bambo eniema eso na ekro betimi aboa ahwe niema so de ama wonom odwom ho no wo betimi ede adom wonom yenko tie Yewura Joseph Obey ne nsem a wode maye ne bi
Sasa asenuisia na ase namu anasa abai ameso edifuma ese enam se womanye insurance se di na nitapo no get na no na so ya bia higher party in katu amamo ye metropolitan assembly na wo Accra no ye se eka ebeya ka premises fee no kwa banka wo mo yitia no eke ye insurance companies bi emba pam na the premises fee na be on the compose you say the immediate and next year the insurance be aka ho na say ka wo ti abe commercial insurance for no na say ubi a the media no in the area no na ka wa ye insured obe pasa bia commercial nipa no be a premium ke see the because ku ti na ama wa kitchen na say na say we dey be da na no what na no na AC gira no any apply so any enterprise insurance for your best and the building of understand very soon. My yes, you say, yeah, I don't know, clearly, there's a bit more at the phone to take it. But remember, we have an insurance company in the crowd. And I'm saying, lack of accessibility to the congestion, basically, I market structures, insurance companies will be doing more extra areas as a highway area. If you then you overprice this way, and I say, you should class a terror or Onkokra. If you know any enterprise, so if you have a more, you do it very soon. Yeah, best time the building of understanding. Now, you have to say, you know, Ediama, Edifood, now, we hear the BC here. Almost no, PKB, show.
Yewura Joseph Obey semi nyina wo mahene yodubu ache ade ache bi adwumedie so ya wode no wo Sompa 93.1 ha no enam so wode ensemi atudwa na ne nyina mu no wo sa kasa ye edefa kwan bia wono befa se be ya wode wani kire mu ewe yedwa hodo no maniema ye ne prekese ya ye ntete entemo ye ma we sengu faako ne ade ne ma afrafra ne nyina no wo so mo behwe no ma maniema so akonkan wo ho
Jabo, the market administrators, metropolitan assemblies, you know, what the levies, what the premises fee. What is you know, so we move to no supervisory place, you know, no more police place, you know, no more straight monitoring of the place, rules and engagement in the market, you know, or mobile, you know, that's what she just say. Maybe you design carbon here, your tongue, and bronzancy, that's what we say, explosive material, you know, a bronzancy, and telling me now, one monitor, one association, something we, if you are high risk, if you are young Sankora, and then you see, who's the detail be a electrical fault to say they will be on They will be there, gas will be extension sockets will be who police it? Who should have the policing unit? That was our market administration here. Okay. It is a way because I say this CBR and say a Kumi Akuma and say you get to say you did okay. With the secretary, also authorities and so the police monitoring.
Guta President Yewura Joseph Obey na busia ye ko ekotie no e.
Abrantie Christian atwotwa sam eye Ghana ni a eja wotra asuo bosompo ekoduru amanone na odi pa na pa na wodie no eye ball bo na de ne kopie mu ewo ho. Abrantie Christian atwotwa sam a ye ka ne ho asem yi wo hye ne bo ase se obi a wo ye winga mpempi no se obonten no ho no 7 anasa 11 na ebra wo hye ne bo ase e wo Ghana ha se no ɛna nyame yɛ n'adom ɛna wotie no so frɛ ɛna okopiem ɛwɔ FC Porto na ɛbra okopiem ɛwɔ FC Porto no wodi emere kakra wɔ hɔnom ɛna okopiem ɛwɔ Rayo Ave ɛna okopiem ɛwɔ hɔ abrante a yɛka no ho asɛm yi yɛwo no 10th January 1992 ɛwɔ Adafua ɛwɔ Ghana ha sɛ yi ɛna yɛwo Christian Atwitwa Sam wɔwɔ yere yɛfɛ ne sɛ Marie Claire Rapio ɛna yɛ ne ho kani abusua abrante no kopiem ɛwɔ amanane no FC Porto Chelsea Newcastle United ɛna afei nso so no Al Riyadh ɛna Hatayspor ya sabre yɛ kasa yi wɔn ka te asefo ho biem yɛdi ka kyerɛkyerɛ mu akyerɛ mo de ama yɛ kasa yɛ tententententen abusuafo yɛ nɛ mudi akyi anwumre yi ɛwɔ Facebook live ɛne YouTube no ɛnɛ na yɛ nua bɛma no yɛgya no kwan kora ɛwɔ ate asefo asase so na nɛ ɛbra ne yere Rupio ɛne abusuafo no ɛbɛpie mu ɛwɔ hɔ no na kyerɛ sɛ obia bɔ n'ani a na wɔsu ɛna wodwani hwɛ nkɔdada ne mu din a wona wo se ware akyekyedeɛ sabi bɔtɔ maako bɛyɛ sɛ apem ne akyire kura na wani bɔ yɛ nnuaba n'animu a ɛne nkɔda n'animu a ubesu wɔne a wasi akan atwa mu empanifoɔ amonanefoɔ empo wɔne a wɔnim abrante Christian Atwitwa Sam no ɔbanan ekopie mu ɛwɔ hɔ nɛnɛ esu ɛne deɛn na ɛbra yɛ nnuaba Rupio ɛkasa no ɔbɔ n'ani a na nisuo wa entie nnuaba no
in life alone. Lying before me today is the mortal remain of a beloved father and husband. I knew later that morning that God is going to call you home. In life, I love you, darling. In death, I do the same. It breaks my heart to lose you. You did not go alone, for part of me went with you. Your love is still my guide, and though I cannot see you, you are always on my side. You were always so full of life. You seem to be immortal. Your smile, your love, I see in our children's smile. You are never really gone, as part of you is within them. You are loved beyond words and missed beyond measure. But as you always say, God win. In love, your wife.
Nipanje, ye. Ojrani ayensama, Onipanje, ye. Mami, ye. Mami, ye. Eyasem, yenu abema Christian Atwitwa Sam. Da ye unyamenka ho kopem se ebehia mu biem
na ebusiafo yewura Christian Atwitwa Sam yenua beme ye na wada ne benkum so nam so ntene State House ani mo hwa enipa empempem adofo mpanyimfo twetworo wonum nyina kwagya busia ema wo hwe yenua Christian atwunani achi atwato no na akwakoye arehosem mpanyimfo twetworo aninten omaya memmo ne asofo mpanyimfo nyina no dodo na eka ho bi ye adwumade na se na wo kire mo manam so yewura na na dodan kwa akufo do mapanyin wono so ekobi esansa wode hyenko enantente no mapanyin ekono na wono mo boni chidom no so nyasem ketwa na bedi ekire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na waka ho bi kane mapanyin John Dramani Mahama so di ekire ene empanyinfo attitude dodo na dwumedie no ase no ena soafo ya wono hwe mebru ne agudie ho nsem so wono monyafo Mustafa Yusuf wojina mapanyin ene o man ni nyina nemu ekogi akasemu ma adanse die efe adanse die ya ebi ma bi da wodi ye edefa ye nua atwe ho sei.
As human beings, creatures of the Almighty God, departing from each other in response to the Creator's call is natural. But the departure of a patriot, full of wisdom, humility, kindness, and really is very, very painful. But as we always say, when such a painful departure occurs, we cannot question God. He knows best. The painful loss of our brother, Christian Atwitwa, has undoubtedly created an indelible imprint on the minds and the hearts of compatriots, teammates, friends, families, and the nation. The government and Ghanaians in general will continue to remember Christian Atwitwa as one of the committed, dedicated, and result-oriented youth and a football star of our time. Achu demonstrated the capacity to fully achieve his potential in his profession. For developing and utilizing his talent for the Ghanaian people and beyond will forever remain a reference point. Throughout his career, Achu interacted with well-meaning Ghanaians and international partners at both personal and professional level. His first close interaction with the Ministry of Youth and Sports was his first call-up to the Black Stars. His stellar performance with the Black Stars right from his debut match against Lesotho on the 1st June 2012 at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium in Kumasi endeared him to many Ghanaians. As a new Black Star was born that day, no doubt. As one of the youngest players of the team, with much expectation from Ghanaians, he exhibited beyond the talent and skill known to many. When he scored a 5th goal in the Black Stars 7 goals thrashing of Lesotho, indeed, the BBC described him as excellent prospect, quick and technically impressive player with high potential in the national team. Achu continued to serve Ghana through the Black Star in many assignments, including the African Cup of Nations in South Africa in 2013, Equatorial Guinea in 2015, Gabon in 2017, and in Egypt in 2019. He also represented Ghana at the 2014 FIFA World Cup in Brazil. His most memorable performance with the Black Star was in 2015 AFCON in Equatorial Guinea.
Nacha se Christian Atwitwa Sam yenua bema ya sabro kwa ne bofo nchen no ne nimdie ene ne hunu mu asiase sede ne osidi duduma ewo eye ball bomo no na enya sam ketwa na yakai no Ghana hasenom akansi ahodo ya yakọ efa bibremu de ewiase nyina de ya obo ne homodin kwadru brebi kra no yetu ne din se Ghana Messi na sasem wesi ato na yare hosem wase Ghana fo nyina bekwaso aka ne da ne da won remfi Christian Atwitwa Sam da na panyi ya wono ya soafo agudie ne mabunu honsem wada no ewo mayimo yewura Mustafa Yusuf abusia wono ene jama panyi ene omanmu ne nyina namu a wode ensem wese ekwoto edwane ewo State House ani mo ho enkrabopu ni mantamo.
Enyumere no nsia brem kase Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 98.9 yeguso ekoye ne mu ewo ensamfoforo mu yeko atoye mantam no mu enne adwumafo ya ewo Golden Star Wasam Mines ye no ewo benso ewo atoye mantamu omne galamsefo se bia wo hwe wo fre macha blabe hade enye se bia agoro ne yeka ho asem no e bia wo a wo hwe bia wo fre mpa che no so as nega mu wo fam ni bi enya sem ketwa na eye bibi ne yetie kura e kire se ni ba akokura afamu etinana no ewo ense do na wodi etie video na ekoso no na tie waso mu nsem
mo be gwasu wasa banso mining they be a farm for you so hey na pia o jina ere o jimi ana eh o be gwasu wasa banso mining Elia
abusia wei eye adwumayefo ya ewo Golden Star ya no ewo wasa omne galamsefo na edi agam so enti mo hwe Facebook live no so no a ya hyehye kasa hodo ye wo honum ya enya asamketoa ya ne assembly member ya wo Benso electoral area edi nkomo me ebusa ne se papa edi e pa na de sasem ba no se ei bra wo busa asem o na wadi obi nim adekode poti a enam so yete ya ne se ejadamu a enema ekoso sa no na yene Gerard Boache ya wono ene amansan edinketa ho edema Golden Star ya eno ewo wasa na din komebusa ne papa asam member nde wantimi ankyerem papa bia o boye nkoma menhwa de ai
We have the right to protect our concessions, say operators or whatever you call them, illegal miners. And we usually, because we are not armed, we usually do this through engagement. So we engage them, talk to them, and then we escort them peacefully off our sites. On this occasion, the same thing happened, but obviously they seeing that they probably have their booty there, amassed some more people and came back. In the process, the police that are stationed at our sites assisted us to ward them off. But, this did not stop them. So they obviously came back with more people, more illegal miners, and then that's when they started to touch our property, our ambulances, our offices, as you can see in the video. And luckily, the first thing that we take into consideration under such circumstances is life. So we moved our staff and our workers off to safety, and they continue to have a field day at our operation. As I speak, the police, thankfully, from Takwa came and they've sort of brought camp to the site, and they're doing the investigations, and we'll know what exactly happened.
Openi a wane amansa di nkita ho edema Golden Star wasama ye wo benso watoye mantamu owura Gerard Boache wona de nsemu ima Sompa kase
na ye kwanse foforo mu no mapanyi na do kwa kufu ado wo hye na memu ya se ne sika krabia bese de wo ho wase won tena se ema odwumede ya enso ne nka Ghana fonte no eyade a wadane abutu sabe ye kase no dodo na na ego na se ya debt exchange program ye no so ba ye e de foforo ba bebom prayer ye kase banks ahodo makomako duba ko 11 banks na sabe ye kase so no wo kiremu a ego na amanfo enam sasem ya se so e play wo ho se wo sika sika krabia hodo no wo kwa akoyiyi na enumu na panyipa bia wono waben e wo sika sem totoye mu ene sika krabia dwumadie mu ensemu ye ra prince obriye bo a wono so e de ato Ghana fo nyina nim sa adwobrel aban no aye hye papi ya ebeboa wono mu a sabe wo sika e de da banks ahodo no etdsa ma emmo wono mu hokra
ensese obi tutu America anase wo pepere no ho se wo bank akwakoyi ni sika okwakoyi sika no obi nim de besi anhwa no amfa nkodru fe na akromfo ehia wo akwakoje na de akofa abanyina ne se oman no akodi ahokyerem ana ho akohia se Ghana aban ebeye bibia ede oman no empuntu beye den ebeba na ne saaye mu ne kofa bibiba anase aban kofa bibiba ya fe ne debt exchange ne ye adwumakuo ane ankwa umudu musika akoto government of Ghana bonds na interest rate na abani tua wo ho enam ahokyera aban akodimu nti so wo ye nsakra ye foforo ye den wo mu na unu nyina ya adwene se ye kan nipaku a na adwumaku a wo musika kese akowura sa debt exchange no ma eye banks ana ato sa bonds no dodo pa eno na ama owura bi a ye friend Dr. Tuahene aye analysis enhwehwemu ana wo ba abonte abeka se sa aban nye bibi amfa the debt exchange aye no ho a ebema banks ni bi akwa ahokyerem ansa na mekomani mamenkanka ho se enye Dr. Tuahene nko ana ede sansim ya betudwa Institute of Chartered Accountants Ghana ewo busumi etwa mu no early February omoso ba abonten ebe kan se omokwa den de omoka se about 18 banks na 1823 universal banks na wo my Ghana mu no sa ban ne toaso with the format ya ode ye debt exchange na imube 18 eho beka
Anyipa ya wabia hye kwadale wo sika krabia ho nsemu ene sika ho tutuye mu ye ra prince obriye boa ene busia ye no ekwatwetwe nkomo yi
ye nkom finfiri mantamu ye nua bema Erika nan boya mane de free finfiri mantamu na Tobut ho sansam no woni ade hye bi ya eton nema e wo Tobut centers ni bi edi nkomo ena omonso kase no kura nyame anim ni aha wo mo pa na Ghana no ya na yase sika no sabie kronto yete eposo nanso ye de ntazuo na hohoro yensa ane sen omo kire se ye wo subuo bi pa ade bo obi se wa ma oman ya hwere sika na enye obi ase yewura akwasia mu akwata na science omo de omo trance no omo kasa akire nua be America nan se wo mo hwi no wanka nkira ban se won frɛ akwasia mu akwata so omo sen kwahwe ade won nsama mu ma no oduru ya mo fa no ntum mo mu musa no hwe mfinsia ma akoma aduo no won fa nya adwuma dene emfa nka ho na ne botai na niso ade hu nyina ente na niso so obedo mampani afiri se de bia na omugina kwa ho a omunya sika ele hwe omasetena mu ni ade no kosia mu akwaje microphone se maguno asa agro se maguno na yente ye nua mam se no sika sae
ya no mo ya adwen but onipa no me close to no for 1 year no saa onipa no ya man penifo no nini because o ma Ghana Africa sika twitwi dia ya hwere no nya sika ketwa it is something to ni baba ka ya no mo ya adwen but onipa no me Africa sika no I see a jail for about 20 years me ma adwen no ala ti nyeli o man sika bebre ba ya hwere sika ketwa for 1 year nya sika ketwa there was say saa man ye jail no be boy because nam to ni so na ye ma bebre titifie ebinom nya adwuma anye because to ni so a na ye ton ade re ye ma yo ho wan da na mo to ma kro su to ya nya adu ntire bia ade e cha mo de eba ade e san eba enti ye hwe se we de se be ba mpala
so mo de ba me de ma tete ba so mo de ba se ya me na ye da na ase o do no mo ja no but or market ne de ko kan this first no but to no na ye kaka sense so mo de ba me na ye da na ase aha na nkwara na obi o ha oni ma mi ni papa aha na ogina o ton ade o di ko school obi so na no de hwe na ye ne ma obi so gina ase onukunu no ha single mother ama na ko so mo de ba babo ha na ye gina aso abo amani na ye nko
to go dinu de gina mu dada enzi o mu de ba o ma mfa mba o de ye wo na nsu eye mi nku ade a o mu de ba de a be ye mi de pa o se aha na ye didi wo market ya wo nya akwa beto ade aha na ye ni bu afonu aha na ye didi anti omo pe omo mfa be na so omo mpe so a omo mfa mba omo chomu de ha ye kakra na nsu ye manage kakra
wei ye nuama no bi ya owo mfimfiri mantamu a woni nua be America nan edi nkomo eno achi ahyankafo no bi nso ekasai
akitu abi ba bi aye koyani enti se new system na omode bank e be boaye ba bi ti se me mfa ye mfato ko ba bi ti se francophone countries a se ufi kumase ka Accra ko kumase a utwa 1-2 ufri Ashanti region e kwabono a no se ka 1-2 nti ese omudi nhyehyefo froba dan se old system na ufri ka so anu aka u kwatema eno no ese omo system eno kwa be ma to boost no aye kakra ama cost no abani tuya no eso ate
oi to boot amusa de be biom okay na yes de nanka because of ayarefo no mo wo ho na ade no ebo omo nso mo amutumi nya bididi no ye ne hwe but traffic wo mu no bebi a befa bi a traffic ebia obetimi aba o ba anajo a obetimi akobiom no because of toll booth nti obedi mu before abedu toll no obabedu ano na time no ko 12 krabo na obefi ade se obepe bebi dasa that time so na ejuma no ensi me dey amenya say because of your nuano mu no enya omo a nkato no me hu mfaso bi enya wo so maye because of your nuano mu ayarefo omo na ya omo ya disable for no na ya mo ya muti omo ntumi nkasa no omo ena ema no ba ni sa inti yanso ya Ghana de anim say enuado obi ado ya dodo ya ho nti no awasa mo nso nya bibi no omo nye na omo ntumi nya bi nhwe omo
ben se ka na
asankafo no bi nso asem no
afa ye ko ewutu senya iskroponi mo eno ewo eye mfimfin matem na Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association mo fa ewo ho ena wonom dia distrede eto mo nya for Mavis how comsin na hye badwane ya wo ho edema dehye no ene wonom MC on mo nya for Anita Obolav sa wo mo sebe ya office kese pa ye betimi abo wonom no obetimi ede ama wonom ma odwumadie no ekwa paso etimi esikwan mo na panyipa yo no yetitrene de ma wonom ora Grace the Graft wono enejira wonom nyina anemu a wode adesrede etu dwase.
Going forward, we are looking forward for our municipal chief executive to give us an office space because as an association, as and when new members in the district, office to help us to get room to run the official duties because as it stands now, we move ourselves as executive. And when we say mother association, I'm a motorbike, but it is not enough until we are pleading to the public. Since we be district, our office space to give it out for free for us to run the association of the business of the association. We'll be very glad and willing to have it. And also with our national loans, currently national GRNME, which is the mother body, is working on getting the loans to get to its members as soon as it can due to economic hardship. So that is the way forward with the loan. Into municipal chief executive. Fortunately, she was here, but she had to leave because of other schedules. Into we are appealing to her, say, and if possible, Honorable Howard Compson, on office space, and we will never forget this if they do it for us.
Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association mufanya no wutu senya East Kroponimo na enne day one mafia no hwemu de ode hihye so wakaso a enam so 2020 ni Madam Grace de Graft woja omu nyina na mu de ensem ya desre eso mpanyefo anim na no si ya pe na owura yire Ernestina Isa wono so nursing manager de makaso polyclinic no wono so de nsem tudwa ya wo chese nurse fo bi no mu a sebi subaboni bi akata wonom so no and also so enka professional to be ya wonu njai
enti no enye dinness no na enye na momo no nipa no suban a odi fifie entitiye no se enkoso ye wo fie a nipa no be fa 3 years entitiye mu ansa na obi ni suban aka no wa betimi asesa prekopa mfie miensa no ye nyina ye di adanse se den kakra enti yan kakra nti ya koso me nyina ne nyam kasatre educate omo entimi ni ayarefo nkasa yie no ya twe omo adwene siso ne enti e woso mo yesa na ye nim sese de ayeye kakra sin first no na kakra ebe yeye ya nam kwan no so ebedu.
Madam Ernestina wono nursing manager ewo Kaswa Polyclinic ene ekotie no e gina so anwumre na eden nsam nyina asi ewo hase wote yenka Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 98.9 yenuanom centers bebreta ya chi a yeden nsam no ebre anwumre me kanfo Mizo 5G ena operative no e the amount ba bia wo hye bia sa wote se ye boss anu ne ehu dawura mesrew enye ensan ya ebro 5G Mizo and aperitivo. Nyame yadomo a echina. Amanfo be ye ombeya ye fro badinto programs bebre and ebekoso. Adofo no be hiesia ne ade nenso e weekend ntimsrawo. Sa wo kwa eya agibiko ba bi e ton drinks bia no wo bofa ho no mo a wo so per 5G Mizo and aperitivo. Nyame yado na wonya bia ani gie nko a wo na wo kro no 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 yes sorry so ama sempe ni padwumadie no oforisio enne dom ede ensem aba wakomanwumere yi owura sante yebo Benedict eno samufo kuku akosua somua lebia burger akosua jewa akode maame ya afia jewa akode morphy ene abusafo nyina boa ya yede ebreo nana kwabana kese na afei ohine ire maame akua yebo a esiama yedama sema monitor ekronto